Hello people, welcome back to another video. Today my friend wanted me to make a video of my slime cubes and all my slimes, so let's open this one up. Here it is. Mom, there's a big jelly cube slime. There's a big jelly cube slime.
Cherokee.
There's a big jelly cube slime, Diego said.
Jug?
There's a big jelly cube slime.
Jelly cube? What's that?
Like this. With like big sprinkles.
I don't know what that's called.
And that's that squishy, but here it is. My friend just wanted me to make the video to show you all my slime. His name is Diego. And his channel is called Giraffe Charming Tea. And here's my other slime that I have. I remember I saw Diego looking at Michelle's slime. I got this at the swap meet. I don't know how much it was, I forgot. But it was like cheap for this. Little slime that is fun to play with. I'll be good. It sounded like a fart, but it wasn't. Because my friend Giraffe Charming Tea farted at Cody.
Oh my gosh.
Sometimes
Don't put his business out there. You want him to say, girl ASMR farted? And then they're gonna look, oh, it's Isabella.
he always says that kind of stuff. He's like, Isabel farted too. Here's my other dog kid slime. It's raining. Good. I'm good right about now. Now I want to take it out. Now, here come my 4 slimes in now. Here's this one. Wow, I haven't played this in a long time. This is really... It's like, let's look at it. Very nice and very soft. If you like take a piece off, it won't rip. I took this to his house and he loved it. There you go, he likes slime. He likes slime so much that he calls himself Karina Garcia. He calls himself Karina Garcia.